How to play the notes on the fretboard. There are 7 musical notes. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Then it repeats. A, B, C, on and on and on. We also have 5 sharps or flats, depending on the context. We have a sharp between A and B, C and D, a D and E, F and G, and between G and A. Now you may have noticed that there were no sharps or flats between B and C and E and F. The reason why this is because in early music, there were only 7 notes, and eventually when we incorporated sharps and flats, that left natural half steps between B and C and E and F. Now we'll demonstrate using the E string. So we start with the E, and we know that there's no sharp or flat between E and F, so the next note on the first fret is F. Then F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E. Now, if you notice, the 12th fret is the same exact note as the open string. The reason why this is because we've gone through an entire chromatic scale. That's when you play all the notes between, like, say, E and E, or A and B, or A and A. Now we can do the same thing on other strings as well. Take the B string, for instance. B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B. You can use this chromatic scale as your reference to find what you're playing. Let's say we're playing this chord right here. We start off with the E string. We're going to go to the 3rd fret. E, F, F sharp, G. Now we'll try and figure out what this top finger is. So we know that this is the D string, so D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G. That's a G chord. Comment down below if you have any questions.